Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dropper remote is reachable with your thumb and the cable is not binding. Once done, sit on the bike and set the saddle a bit higher than your intended low position so you can pedal comfortably. Now press the remote briefly to lower the post into a safe descent position while keeping your feet level on the pedals. Make sure you feel the saddle move. That confirms the mechanism is working before you ride faster. While approaching a drop, shift your weight rearward and stay relaxed. This prevents being pitched forward when the saddle lowers. Press and hold the remote as you move your hips back so the post clears fully. Once down, keep pedals level to avoid pedal strikes. You should lower the saddle only while coasting or with minimal pedaling force to reduce wear. Continue to modulate speed with brakes and look ahead so you can absorb the landing smoothly. After the obstacle, press the remote to raise the saddle to your pedaling height so you regain power and comfort. Do this while lightly pedaling to help the post settle. If the post creeps down under load, that often means cable stretch or insufficient internal pressure. Stop and tighten the remote cable or follow the manufacturer's service interval. If the dropper sticks or won't move, avoid forcing it. Dismount and activate it off the bike, and if it remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.